Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick Aliexpress haul. My orders are slowly, not slowly, they're trickling in and it's slowly coming to a halt. I only have a few more things coming in, but yeah. First thing, you guys saw me haul different shapes of these like wonky circles, almost like a sketch circle. I like that this one was bigger and like I figured you could do a layer like this on a card and then put like a main sentiment or word on top. So I cut them out in gold. You know, it passes in one swipe very beautifully. Use that Michael's gold paper. So I love these. I think I have all the shapes. Yes, I do. I have squares. This is the other oval shape I did. So all sorts of different shapes and sizes I've been ordering. So that's that one. Then the next one is this. Get all those pieces out. It's like a star. It cuts it out just wherever you put this plate. So the example I saw, it was like a card and you put this in the corner and it cuts out, you know, the stars. I want to say it was like a unicorn card I saw. So here, let me see. And then they popped it up on top and it just looked very dimensional and cute with the stars. So I loved it. And I want to get a more background dies. I guess that's what this is considered. And then I can decorate the front. So I really liked that. I accidentally cut the top off. So that'll go like that, and then you decorate it. So those were my two dies that I got. Then I got black, this mint, and this pink. These are the, they're not like hanging down pom-poms. They're just short little ones, and these are perfect for, making shakers with the like recycled trash that like ephemera comes in. This kind of just hides the glue and the packaging. And then also everybody's making those pom-pom frames that the Willow Lane collection brought out, so we could totally duplicate that. And I got black for Halloween. Really pretty mint. Then I got these because I love like rhinestones and like gems and stuff. But these are hearts, and I saw these. I don't know who got them, but they were from Hannah Fox on Instagram. So I messaged her and found the Ali store that carries them. Aliexpress for the win. These are so cute. They're a little pricey. I want to say they're like $2.99 or $2 something versus, you know, I feel like everything on Aliexpress is like 99 cents, but those were not. Next thing are these sequins. I've been making sequin packets for my pals, but so I've used a lot of them already, but these are like little circles with like, you guys can see on camera, like indents in them, almost like a spiral. No, I don't even know how to describe that. A flower. So these are gold, and they're definitely like a bright gold, as you can see, compared to like these muted natural golds, if that makes sense. And then I got these. They're tiny little, I want to say these are 3mm. It's almost like a glitter, just a glitter circle hole punched basically. And they're gorgeous in person. So I got these 2 packs. Then I picked up some more in different shades. These are the pink paper flowers that are just like the Michael's ones. When I first got these, I was like, wait, I didn't get all of them, but they are double stacked on top of each other. So there's 2 rows on top of each other. There's 144 pieces, and then these are the mint blue, just side by side. Like a really pretty Tiffany blue. Then I got this one. Took forever, I feel like, but sometimes some orders, like everybody else gets theirs and you don't get yours. That's just the way it works when ordering from Ali, unfortunately. But it finally got here. Swam across the ocean. It is like a braided, oh, here we go, that would help. Yeah, that's the back. It's like a braided piece, and then pom-pom, and then the pink in the background. Super cute. Love this. It's super soft too. And then oh my gosh, you guys. So, crystal here, it's like her YouTube is like June Cries something. I'll link her down below, but she did a like project share of a I want to say it was Santa baby, and she used these things called skeleton leaves. I've never even heard of those, but they were gorgeous, and you know, they're just little leaves like this. So whatever, I ordered them on AliExpress. I didn't even know they came in other sizes, and by the photos, you cannot tell. Seriously, these are like ostrich feathers. These are huge. So they're these very fragile, delicate leaves that are absolutely stunning. Like, I could see why they're called skeleton leaves. Like, basically it's like a dried out, just all the stems. That's what it looks like. And I got the like creamish white color. I thought these were going to be 1 inch, 2 inches big. This is much larger than my hand. It's about, oh my gosh, it's like 7 or 8 inches. These are huge. I have no clue how I'm gonna, you know what? I might be able to just cut them so I can like hide this and stack it behind stuff, but I was super bummed that these are this massive. Like, I don't even make projects this big. So these are the leaves, you know, they're called skeleton leaves, but definitely I need to go order different ones in a different size, and they do come in different colors as well. They're very fragile. I feel like I could just, yeah, I don't know. I don't want to, I guess, rip it. These ones look like they have some authentic bird poop still on them. I don't know what that is. Yucky. A couple of them. So yeah, those are them. Super sad, but they are gorgeous, right? Just delicate, like dainty. Love these leaves. But I need them in a smaller size. So watch what you're ordering. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.